Hey, what's up, everybody? Real quick, I'm sitting here typing up the manuscript to my book, but I just want to say that let things come naturally or organically. Do not force your creativity. Let the creativity flow naturally. The thing is, people force creativity because they want to be competitive. And when you're competitive, you miss a lot of details. You miss a lot of things that goes into creating a strong foundation so you can build on and have a successful idea, plan, business goal, or whatever it is you're planning to do. So once again, like I just said, let the creativity be organic. Allow yourself to just let the ideas flow. If you force them, then it's not coming from a creative place. So in your time of creating, allow yourself to be creative. Do not force the ideas. Let the universe bring the ideas to you and show the world that you are creative. Have a good day, y'all. Peace.